You see, people from various places came to Goa. In 1946, Dr. Amanur Lohia, he's from Bengal originally. He dedicated his life for India, inside and outside, at the time of freedom movement. In 1946, he came all the way from outside and reached here, given a call for liberation of Goa, and the fundamental rights of the people should be protected, and Goa is the inevitable part of our country, and Portuguese should go out from this area. And movement subsequently to 1 week back, Patra Devi village I visited. When I saw 32 persons lost their life from 7 states, Mysore, Punjab, Kashmir, and various places. They were in fact, bullets killed them, not for their states, for the country Goa. So that is a tradition that has to be maintained, and I am very happy that our Chief Minister of Goa yesterday visited Martyr'S wife and offered 10 lakh rupees. You see, after the marriage, he was only 21 years of age, and before completing 3 months' life, he ran all the way from Punjab to this place and subjected to the attack by bullets and by the Portuguese people, died, and such types of sacrifice. I, as a governor and as a citizen of India, I am always bow my head before that Martyr'S.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.